This is the song We Wish You a Merry Christmas as a soloist. So we're going to show you the right hand melody here. I'm going to show you the fingering. And we start on your thumb on D, and your fourth finger goes to that next note. And that kind of sets you up. This is in the key of G, so you got to watch out for F sharp all the way through your song. That's a second finger there. And so it's, and right there, the third note in that second measure is going to be your thumb. So you're going to move from your second finger, same note, thumb there, and then fourth finger on A, F sharp again, fourth finger on that B, and then you're going to just lift your wrist up and put your thumb on that D. F sharp again, thumb on D, F sharp, put your second finger on this A note, all the way up to your fifth finger there and down to your thumb right there. 5 there, F sharp again, right there. The next phrase starts on your thumb again and your fourth finger on G. Lift your thumb up, put it on E, fourth finger on A, fourth finger on that B note, thumb, lift your thumb up again, put it on that D note, F sharp, and G. Really pretty easy with the fingering, not too tricky. And then your melody, or excuse me, your chord is going to be in your left hand. So we wish you, I think we're going to play our G chord right there like that. D, G, and B. And a C chord there. Grip position, C, E, G. That's an A7 chord, which is A, C sharp, E, and G. Back to the D chord, D, F sharp, A. And right there we have a B7 chord, which is 4 notes, B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. So that's also root position. There's an E chord, E minor chord, E, G, B. And we're going to go down to that G chord there, D, G, B like that. There's your A minor, E, A, C. And then D sharp, or excuse me, D7 on the third beat there. D, F sharp, A, and C. Kind of a quick motion there. And then you go to the G. On the downbeat of the next measure, D, G, B. D again, root position, D, F sharp, and A. E minor, E, G, B. You go down to that A root position there, A, C sharp, and E. There's another D chord, that's also root position, D, F sharp, A. And there's a D7 chord. Now, that's kind of an optional chord. You could just stay on the D, but if you wanted to add that D7, it's D, F sharp, A, and C. That's on the third beat. There's your G chord again, D, G, B. And then your I'm going to stay on that G chord on that next measure there. C, C, E, G. There's another D7, D, F sharp, A, and C. And a G chord, D, G, B on the top. E7, B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. E minor. There's your G chord, D, G, B. A minor, E, A, C. There's D7 again, D, F sharp, A, C. And your G chord. So this is what it sounds like when you put it all together.